This application requires 2 strips of KT tape. We will indicate with a dot the point of pain. This application will be applied over clothing for demonstration purposes only. You will be applying the tape directly to your skin. While standing, get in a lunge position with a stretch on the front of the hip. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. You will place this about 1 inch below where your hip creases. Pull the backing away from the tape to leave a 2-inch anchor on the other end. With a light stretch, apply the tape at a diagonal. Finally, apply the last 2 inches without any stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to improve adhesion. Repeat with the second strip parallel to the first. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.